Uh, Hi Sabya.
Yeah, hi Siddhan. Good evening.
Good evening. I am working on a project to build an app for people who want to keep themselves healthy and fit. Uh, so, this interview is to know about your thought process and your insights about physical exercise. So,
Mm-hmm.
as I mentioned before, this session will be recorded. So, do you have consent for that?
Yes, yes, obviously. There is no problem in that.
Okay. So, before proceeding, if you have any question, you can ask me.
No, I think you can proceed for the session. If anything else, I'll definitely ask.
Okay. Okay. So,
Yeah.
can you describe me your locality? Like, is it a urban or semi-urban or rural?
Actually, right now I am staying at my native place, which is situated in Noyagad, and it is actually proper village, you can say, and obviously a proper rural area, you can say, where most of the people are living like they believe in farming and all, and obviously there are some youth generation who are actually trying to make themselves fit, and they are always working like doing exercise in river and or also in field, you can say, in playground, and most of the actually it is a rural area, so like you cannot find those kind of facilities which you get in a town or in a modern area. So yeah, like that
So,
it is.
there is no a gym or a park for specifically for physical exercise purpose.
There is no park actually, but yes, you can say there is a desi gym type. Like there is a proper clubhouse for a proper place, and in that you can find only one two kinds of dumbbells you can, and the people just the people just usually go there and just actually they don't know about how to practice that, but like they used to do it like regular basis, and also some push-ups they do, and like that they spend some time in that clubhouse.
Okay. So, as you mentioned, some youth in your locality they do exercise. So, what do you think is their motivation and why do people in your locality do physical exercise?
Actually, I can say like the youth like there are some actually 6 to 7 people who usually regularly go to the gym because actually they love watching WWE, and they are actually fan of Roman Reigns, and they always try to look like him. So people are always like that's why actually they are spending some time. They want to just grow like their biceps and triceps and all, and actually there is no proper motivation like why we do gym, we do gym to stay fit and all, but they actually do gym to like show themselves like yes, I have some bigger biceps than you. So like that actually it's not properly like they are not well aware of that thing, so
Okay.
it's just to maintain the biceps and all.
When and where did you last exercise?
I exercise today only in the morning.
So, you exercise regularly.
Yes, regularly.
So, what is your motivation to keep yourself consistent? Uh,
Motivation is like actually I want to stay fit because if you gain some weight, or if you like look ugly, then it will be not good for yourself, and first of all, and second is if you gain weight, then there will be like it will be really a cause of getting some diseases, and it will create some health problems also. So that's why like to get rid of those obstacles, I want to stay fit, and that's why I do some regular exercises, some basic exercises, you can say.
so, people who do exercise in your area, so
Mhm.
how can you categorize them?
Like categorize means what you actually want.
Means some must like in city, some do it for as a profession, some do it, you can say.
Yes, okay. So I can say like two or three boys are there who are actually like doing it regularly to get some to stay fit. Okay, I can say that, and they are really doing it professionally because they are watching some YouTube videos and they are following some apps. There you can say there is an app and they are following that, and it is actually routine app where it shows like what to do when, and so they are following that, and according to that they are doing some exercises. Some are doing really like it's not looking good because they don't know how to do so, first of all, and some are doing just for fun, and you can say.
Okay. So on days the you don't do exercise, uh, what is the most common reason for you to skip that day?
uh, like when I started doing exercise, then at that time actually I usually skip 1 or 2 days because of some like body pain and all. But now I think it's mostly because of lack of time, you can say lack of time. I'm not that good in time management, so maybe that can be a reason. That can be a most common reason. And secondly, I can say that maybe not a proper place, proper a gym, so that I can like strictly make my time schedule, that yes, I have to spend 1 hour in my gym, so like that you can say. So those two are mostly the reasons of skipping my exercise routine.
Uh, Among your friends, family, and colleague, do you ever discuss about these things? And when do generally this topic arises?
I can say like in my family only me and my sister usually discuss about this exercise thing, because she also regularly do jogging and all to make herself fit. And in my friends, so you always discuss about this exercise, and this being having a gym in my village. I have recently there was a committee and I discussed this topic to have a gym in my village, so that the new generation, they can spend some time and they can stay with that, and that is the most frequent thing, you can say. Like there is not much topic about it, but you can say yes, we discuss sometime.
So there might be some people who are not interested in exercising regularly,
Hmm.
or some who start to start doing exercise, then they discontinue. So, according to you, what are the reasons or excuses they give it to you, to tell you for skipping exercise?
Skipping, if I want to say my personal experience, so I can say like when I started doing this exercise and when I started going to that place for at least 1 hour in the morning, my father usually says that you don't need to go into that room. You just come with me to the field and we will do some like work in in our farm field, and you will stay fit like that. So that can be a reason. Like most of the people, like in my village, as it is mostly based on farmers. So the farmers like who are getting older, they are taking their son or any people they know, so with them to help him in their work, so that yes, that can be reason to skip an exercise. Like they stop doing that once you start. Yes, there is some time in farming work, so if you get time, then they will exercise. If they don't get time, they will just go discontinue that. So that can be a mostly reason in my locality, I can say. uh,
So,
that's
do you think that this farming and all this regular day work that people do in your locality, that keeps them healthy. Like while exercising, we can focus towards a particular part of our body, for like leg day or bicep day, sort of thing. So do you think in doing the regular day work or farming, so they can keep themselves healthy?
By like I can say that you said the you just said about that focusing on a special day like a leg day or a bicep day. So that cannot be done by doing farming. But yes, by doing farming you will have some exercise, and that will help you obviously staying in fit. But as you said that about a proper maintaining routine, you can say like I have to work on my biceps. It's looking small. I have to look at my legs. So those things cannot be like done, while doing farming and all. So for that you need a proper exercise, you need a proper routine, you need to follow that, and that only help. That will definitely help. So this doing this regular work in farming will definitely not help.
Because many people who do hard work but still they doesn't have a slim body, or their belly fat is
You cannot say like only looking small, looking only big, having a slim body, or not looking a belly fat is that will be helpful doing exercise. But yes, yes, actually, regular work in as farming will not definitely help, but you will have some exercise while doing that. So proper to get some basic to get a proper shape, you need to do proper routine, proper exercise.
so uh, in this process of keeping yourself healthy. So how much do you think diet matters?
Diet actually matters a lot because like once you get into a proper routine, once you get into a proper exercise, you need to follow some strict rules. You need to avoid some food, like if you are a foodie person, then it will be really difficult for you, but you need to avoid that. Like you cannot eat more oily food, or you cannot eat more spicy food. This will not help if you want to have a proper diet, proper shape of body. So definitely diet is helpful actually, and diet is needed.
So in your area, do you have access to those professionals like trainer and nutritionist, those who uh,
No, no, definitely, it's a big no, because as I already mentioned, it's a proper rural area, so maybe most of the people are not aware about what is actually a nutritionist too. So what is a proper diet they don't know, because they eat what they get at their time. So yes, obviously that's the thing.
so as you said, most of the people do not know about these technicalities, like how much
Yes.
calorie to intake and how much calorie to burn. So, have you ever tried to contact any professional?
No, actually, I have not tried, and frankly speaking, I have not followed a diet yet. I was only following an application about some exercises, and as a beginner, and I am in advanced position, and I am in advanced step of that application. So there are 4 steps to follow. So till now, I have not followed any diet, so I don't think there is any need for me to get contact with any nutritionist or any professional.
Like you said, diet is pretty much important in um this process of staying healthy. But now you are saying you don't need a diet.
Actually, the thing is that like I am not aware how much to get, how much to lose, I am not aware actually how much oily food I need to eat, I need to avoid, I need to skip. So, like, yes, I can avoid 2 times oily food in a week, but I really don't know like what is actually needed. So maybe that is the reason. Or and yes, taking help of a professional of a nutritionist will maybe cost much. So that can be another reason, and that is actually another reason. So I really don't want to spend some money in that right now, because I don't have a proper gym or anything, you can say, in my locality. Yes, I'll definitely think of that in future if I go anywhere. So there I think I will need some help of a professional or something like that.
Uh, in a society, in our society, do you think even if you go, people who live in city, uh,
Hmm.
not metro cities, I'm not talking about, because they are generally high, they are in generally high income group. But people who live in smaller cities, who
Hmm.
do have access to gyms and parks, but do you think they generally try to contact these professionals? And the factor that you mentioned about the cost of contacting one, do you think that matters a lot in smaller cities also?
Obviously, I think, because like contacting a nutritionist will definitely cost much, and I don't think most of the people try to do that, because as these at this time we have a lot of in internet, and if you want to follow a strict rule, you can find anything in internet. And if like yes, in metro cities they definitely like as there are some cricketers, and they are the stars are there, so they always believe in proper diet, and also they have definitely both the facility of getting a nutritionist and to pay them. And in small cities I don't think most of the people are usually doing that, because actually I think the cost is the main reason. And getting a contact of a nutritionist in a small city, I don't think it will be possible everywhere. So they are not always reachable, or maybe you cannot find anyone in a small group of small region, you can say. So that can be the reason.
Okay, so the food we eat in our daily life, like rice or dal. So generally, people somehow know that potato will make you fat, and rice will make you fat. So do you think like that for packaged foods, that not not talking about those snacks, uh, I'm talking about packaged foods. So do you think people have a general perspective about that also, yes, this packaged food might have more carbohydrate, this one might have more protein. So do you think they check the ingredient part while shopping, or they just go they just buy it based
You
on
can
marketing?
say that if there is someone like who is following a strictly diet, and who actually wants to stay fit, who actually, you can say, who is following a strictly diet, he will definitely go for the ingredients. And who is a foodie person, who is not looking for that, he will definitely not go for ingredients. You will just see the what it is, what is the flavor, and you will definitely buy it. So yes, that's the thing.
Okay, so if you were given chance to motivate people for doing exercise, so what are the things that you would do, and what are the factors that people generally get demotivated because of those factors?
Like you want to, like I can say, if I want to motivate someone, then firstly I have to do that. Firstly I have to try those things. Then if it is working for me, then only I can help others by these things, that yes, it is working for me, you should work it. And secondly, I will tell those people, like, oh, I said, as I said, like some people are like, in my locality some people want to look like Roman Shah. So I will say that yes, you will have a you will have a great shape of body, you can say, but you will stay fit always. That's the thing actually. So I will encourage them by showing some articles, or like by showing some videos, or by discuss by having more discussion about their daily routine, about their daily food, how they are eating, what to avoid, what they like, what they don't like. So I can discuss that thing in there with them, and I will encourage them to take healthy food, to take to do some to do daily routine, daily exercise. I will help them, and in that way I think I can motivate
So
them.
basically, you want to show them results, and like you say, Roman Reign, I think. So that is also a goal or result that people that a friend of yours follows. So they
Yes.
people after getting after looking at someone, or after looking at a result that he has loosen this much kg in a short amount of time. So those things motivates them.
Yes, because some stars are there. There are always news like he lost 95 kilo in 6 months. He lost 40 kilo in 4 months, and they are always changing the shape of their body. So that way they can, it will help them. And if someone thinks that I am getting fat, I want to lose some kilos, but I cannot lose in 6 months. So I will definitely tell them that yes, you can lose, but you have to follow some strict rules, follow some strict diets, and after that you have to follow some strictly exercises, so that it will help you to lose. And uh, if they follow that, they will get their result by themselves only.
Okay, so that was it from my end. So do you want to add something in the end?
Actually, like this interview, you, as you said that you are going to make an application for exercises. So can you just get me more details about that, like what you actually working on that?
So that is the thing. So this interviews that I am conducting, so I will get to know what are people think about that, and what are their motivations, and what are the reason of getting demotivated. So after that, I will focus on a particular uh, sub section, you can say, under this physical exercise. Like, yeah, I want to solve this problem. Um, so I will focus more on that. Like, there are many apps who in the market who uh, those show all these exercises, and like you said you follow one, like beginner, advanced, they have many such things. But I am looking for problems that are not being addressed by these apps. So this
Hmm.
is why I am conducting this interviews.
Okay, then Siddharth, I think that's a great initiative, I can say. So please work hard on it, and focus on, like as I mentioned, focus on motivation part mostly, because people like in rural, they don't get motivated that much. But yes, there are some motivation in your generation, but in the as 40 age group also, they need to do some exercises, because exercise to stay themselves, to make themselves fit. So please work on the motivation part, I'll suggest, and so that it will help them. And yes, definitely a good work. Yeah, thanks, Idan.
Okay, thank you. So, how was your interview experience?
Interview, actually I have not given anything anything like this before, so this is for the first time. So actually I was pretty excited. I think it was a really good session. So now I am going to ask you that how much mark you will give me on my performance.
So, there is no such thing. I just
Yes, I know that. I know that this is not a hiring interview and all, so it's just for fun, you can say.
okay, okay. Thank you. Have a good night.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good night, Siddharth. Bye.